Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Chem Corona. Myself Mayuresh Rao, Assistant Professor, Department of Pharmaceutical Chemistry, Sinhagad Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences. Today we are going to discuss Claisen condensation. By the end of this topic, the learner should be able to understand what is Claisen condensation, the mechanism involved in Claisen condensation, and the applications of Claisen condensation. So let us discuss what is Claisen condensation. It is a base catalyzed condensation of an ester containing alpha hydrogen atom with a molecule of same ester or different ester to give B-ketoester is known as Claisen condensation. So in Claisen condensation, the end product is beta-ketoester, whereas we start with an ester which contains alpha hydrogen atom. So let us see the reaction. Here, two molecules of ethyl acetate, they react together to give us ethyl acetoacetate. So this reaction is also called as self-condensation reaction. We can use different bases such as sodium ethoxide, sodamide, or triphenyl methyl sodium. Mechanism. Step 1. The ethoxide ion from sodium ethoxide removes the proton from a molecule of ethyl acetate to give carbanion 1. We can see here sodium ethoxide will dissociate to form Na plus C2H5O-. This ethoxide ion will remove the proton from here and it is going to give us carbanion 1. Step 2. The carbanion adds to the carbonyl group of the second molecule of ester or ketone and forms anion 2, which further loses ethoxide ion to yield beta-ketoester. You can see here this carbanion 1 will attack on the carbonyl carbon to give us this intermediate. From this intermediate there will be loss of ethoxide ion that is going to give us the beta-ketoester. Step 3. Acidification of intermediate 3 will generate the final beta-ketoester. So there will be acidification of the intermediate which is produced in step 2 to give the final compound, that is ethyl acetoacetate. Applications include synthesis of thymine, that is nothing but vitamin B1. This is one of the important applications of Claisen condensation. The reaction is shown below. The second application includes synthesis of equilanin, which is a female sex hormone. So this reaction indicates the synthesis of equilanin. Thank you for patient listening and happy learning.